welcome back to your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices. After coming home from the scorching sun, the most perfect and the necessary drink that you all must try is Masala Buttermilk. It gives taste and the spice to your tongue and a great comfort within yourself. So before we get into the preparation of this masala drink, please like, share and subscribe. So let us go to see the ingredients required for the preparation of this masala buttermilk. So here I have taken a salt, ginger, chilli, jeera, onions, coriander and buttermilk. In a roller I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and crush them to make a fine paste. I am going to add water at the intervals that helps me to make a fine paste of the jeera. So to this I am using 2 inches of ginger. So here I am using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per your choice. You can even add black salt that enhances the taste of your masala buttermilk. So here I have taken 2 chillis and I have chopped them into 2 equal halves. As you can see, I crushed them up to 50%. In a juice jar, add about 250 ml of buttermilk and a prepared jeera paste. Close the mixer with a lid and blend this in a high speed. Here I have taken 250 ml of buttermilk. Usually for 1 liter of curd, you need to add around 4 liters of water to make a perfect buttermilk. So now the beautiful, mouth-watering, spicy masala buttermilk is ready. Garnish this masala buttermilk with chopped coriander and onions. So try this drink today in your home and I'm sure you all would definitely love this. So that is about today's episode, Masala Buttermilk. For more recipes in English, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned and stay connected only with your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices.